Now more than ever, English proficiency provides a competitive advantage in the global workplace. Whether you are seeking to build a more proficient workforce or to prepare work-ready students, the TOEIC program, the global standard of English proficiency for everyday and workplace communication skills, can help you achieve your goal. The TOEIC program offers a series of assessments and teaching and learning resources designed to measure and support English language proficiency across all 4 communication skills: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Assess basic to intermediate level English communication skills with the TOEIC Bridge tests, and evaluate intermediate to advanced English proficiency with the TOEIC Listening and Reading and Speaking and Writing tests. The TOEIC portfolio also includes the Propell Teacher Workshops, a series of interactive professional development workshops that help English language trainers and teachers prepare learners for the TOEIC tests and motivate them to develop their skills. The TOEIC portfolio also includes a variety of official learning and preparation materials to help ensure test takers are ready to do their best. Consult with your local ETS Preferred Network office to learn more.